Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to enable YouTube app data saver feature. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need to go to YouTube. After that, we need to go to our account and click on settings. After that, we need to click video quality preferences. And here we can click on mobile networks. And here we can click data saver. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and bye bye everyone. See you later.